Ulo umutusenga teteofo Sipaka o umate wa umalo poto
Say Oriana Say essa salamai Eterno for my love Son of a gun will have the fun on the bow So we are feeling it in me manaya Being lady My being lady You do something to me My being lady My being lady
Mi gozi kama Kele ula vale Mi blendi kukama Ena Israel Kazi lea
Fale vao Mo nofo si tamo o tau le lot Sali peye maat Ma vo fausa na upu whainga tae Whail te malo Men nei wo o ia il tawa Kamatu mel te malo What is a fale vao? Afa maileli Fale vao is the house of houses
Tawatu sia watu fasolo Watu sia elen poto Ropati Stevenson Telemea taua Olo o Samoa O te vivi atu ile la lolangi Iwo mae ua masani Ke moli mawai o leilani
Ono ko ina o hao o le langi Ma vai mai i le lalo langi E tasi lava le manatu e o mai
Ole o langa o Samoa Te mana ia tele lava
Samoa patu pati O au au lo mau penina E uina vai vai A e tau mawhai O lea ua sila mio Le lalolangi atoa Ua ave mai tala O le manu Samoa
Oi aue A oe funa wa sisenga E moni e o sia unei vai La ulu pe ua lene Le vao maoa We are Samoa
People from the sun We are Samoa
Dad, your day is here. I'd just like to thank the Pacific Talent Academy of the Arts for honoring you today. And I'm so proud of you because you've done so much with music and your passion for Samoa that, finally that, we have a day to celebrate your achievements and your hard work. So I remember as a young kid, you'd wake up every morning and I just see you writing constantly, writing music. You're always playing a guitar. You're always trying out new things and telling new stories. And I never really understood what you were doing until I became a musician myself. That there was a fire burning inside of you and you were just yearning to tell stories about Samoa and your upbringing and you were just so proud to talk about Samoa and so proud to let people know that we are Samoa. Like, those are some very powerful words that you put together back then, and today it still rings. So thank you for being an inspiration to all of us. Well, here are a few other friends who'd like to say a few words to you. Enjoy your weekend, Dad. I love you.
Jerome Grey, ya family yako na kwa famalo le fayo le favor. Congratulations from Chief Sluau. Wish you the best and God bless you. Hello.
Aloha, my name is Sayuli Jesse Sapolu, and I want to congratulate High Chief Whanana Jerome Grey for being the recipient of the Lifetime Achievement Award at this year's Polynesian Festival. Jerome Grey is a pioneer in my mind, both as an entertainer and a singer. He was also the first to bring Samoan humor to mainstream, not only in New Zealand and Australia, but here in America. As an entertainer and a songwriter, Whanana Jerome Grey simply is one of the best of my lifetime. And as a songwriter, he wrote one of the all-time Samoan classics, kind of like our second anthem, We Are Samoa. Congratulations on an honor that's well-deserved, and I'm blessed to call you my friend. Congratulations, Russell.
Aloha, it's the Katinas. What an honor it is for us to be a small part of honoring a living legend, really. Jerome Grey is synonymous with music, beautiful music, island music, songwriting. We Are Samoa was like an anthem for our generation. We still listen to it in so many different arrangements, but we'll never forget the writer, Jerome Grey. So we want to tell you thank you for what you've done for us, for our people, for generations to come of Samoan and Polynesian musicians and songwriters. We'll never be able to say thank you enough, but we're glad that we get to say it while you're still alive. When we first moved to Samoa, growing up as little kids, we would drive from Pagopago to Setanga, which, if you know Tutuila, that's kind of a long drive. And we'd also always listen to Christian music, but there was one 8-track, that tells you how long ago it was. 8-track that wasn't necessarily Christian music that my dad would let us listen to, and it was Ava. And again, that impacted our lives, and it's still impacting our journey. So with people from all over the world, Mr. Jerome Grey, God bless you. Thank you. We love you.
Oh, say,
Aloha, I'm Kelly Boy Dilima, and I just wanted to take the time to congratulate Jerome Grey. You know, in the world, the music world gave us greats like Elvis Presley, the king of rock and roll. They gave us the king of pop, Michael Jackson. The music world gave us the Beatles. In Polynesia, God graced us with an awesome man, Uncle Jerome Grey, that touched all of Polynesia. I remember a little boy listening to him sing his beautiful music, and me, Tiva, and Timo from the group Kapena, you know, we always looked up to his music and to his legacy, you know. So we want to just say congratulations to you, and you know, to your Lifetime Achievement Award. We want to wish you a blessed evening when you accept that award, and there's nobody more deserving than you. So congratulations to Mr. Jerome Grey from the islands, you know, from Kaneohe, Hawaii, you know, Kapena crew, and my family send our warmest aloha, talofa, mahalo, and God bless you.
What's up, everybody? It's your boys, Common Kings. We just want to wish Pops, our Pops, congratulations, Dad, Jerome Grey, for getting presented the Lifetime Achievement Award. You've been well deserved. Dad, you've been such an inspiration to us and all of the Polynesian community. as a singer-songwriter. We thank you so much, man.
That's right.
Love you very much, Dad.
Congrats. Ever since we backed you up over there at the Low Tower.
Voices of Samoa, 2001.
Thanks for paving the way, Pop.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting me play the bass on your songs.
Yeah. Thanks, Dad. We love you very much. Take care. Congratulations again. Yeah.
Uncle Jerome, just want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts for all that you've done for our culture. You've been such a great ambassador, and you're so deserving of this Lifetime Achievement Award. You've represented our culture to the world for a long time, like a really long time. But you're so deserving of this, and congratulations from myself and from our family. Aloha.
This is George Fiji Koso and Langa Savia. We want to wish Mr. Jerome Grey the best life ever. Lifetime Achievement Award. We're so proud of you. All the Pacific knows that. We love your music and we congratulate you on this recognition. From us to you, Alofatu.
Talofa, all the way from New Zealand. We are so proud that you have won this award. You totally deserve it. And thank you so much, Whanana, for your years of service. I love that Samoan proverb that says, Leala pule o te tautua, the pathway to leadership is to serve. And you have served so faithfully in the music industry. Thank you for paving the way for us. And I'm so proud to call you my uncle, and I hope you're proud to call me your nephew, because I know you're a funny chaga. Anyway, God bless you. We love you. Congratulations once again, and wait your moment.
Apologies, it's midnight. I've just arrived from the Laughing Samoans gig. And speaking of Samoans and speaking of inspirational Samoans, I just want to send out a huge congratulations to Whanana Jerome Grey, who is an icon of Samoan music, and for me a huge inspiration, and for winning the Olo Letuli Lifetime Achievement Award. Wow, that is amazing and so well deserved. So on behalf of myself and all the many composers out there, I just want to say thank you so much for being an inspiration, Whanana Jerome Grey, and may God continue to bless your amazing gifts and your amazing talents, and also your amazing family. And so I just want to wish from Fiji all the very best. Imanwia, God bless. Tō whāsefua.
Ia, e whaatalo whaatu lava I lau awhionga le matua whanana, lau sunga Jerome Grey, whaafetai I le atua, ua maua le nei awanoa, e moli atu aini alo whaanga, mani moonga, mo oi le tamā I lau aso whaapitoa. O oi moni lava o le matua, se tasi o tu ua o musika ya Samoa, ma le lalulangi atoa. Whaftai whaasoa, ma le whai o le whaiva. I'm very honored to be able to share some words and in honor of your special award, Whanana Jerome Grey. This is Gary King, your former voice student. You have been a major influence in my life. You were my first voice teacher, for those who don't know, back in American Samoa. And I remember coming into lessons with you and singing It Ain't Easy Being Green and The Rainbow Connection from Sesame Street. And I remember you telling me, Gary, open your mouth. You've got to open your mouth wide. And at the time, I was probably 7 or 8, thinking, that feels weird, and I don't want to do that. But fast forward, many years later, when I was at Berklee College of Music, and I was in one of my first voice lessons, and the teacher was covering the shaping of the mouth and in terms of vowels and how to really open wide, and she was telling me the same thing, and I immediately remembered you and thinking, oh, surely, Jerome Grey, and so it kind of came full circle there, and I know that on occasion my dad, who played fiddle, would sometimes play at the hotel or over at the old Solis and Marks back in Powell. with you guys. And, everything came full circle when I lived in LA and I played one of my very first gigs in Orange County with the Common Kings, and I opened for them. And you guys were so gracious. You and your family were so gracious in including me in the musical scene when I first arrived in LA, and I always appreciated that. And it was just a very kind of nice little bow to tie around everything. So, in any event, you've been an influence in my musical life and for so many other Polynesians and Samoans around the world. So, for that, we thank you. And nobody deserves this award more than you. And for all that you've done for us musically and culturally around the world. So, fa'afetai lava, okay? Much love to you and the family, and I wish I could be there for the event. Yeah, take care. Bye.
Aloha, Jerome. This is Melvine Lead. It's been a long time. You have really accomplished so much in all the years that you've been writing beautiful songs that give me chicken skin, especially that Uso Samoa. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful song. I still sing it, by the way. And also, I will never forget that day in Apia during the Jubilee when we sang that for thousands of people. Oh my gosh, they love you. They love your music. And you have...
A lot of people have musical role models or idols or, influences. But I'd be willing to take a guess that not a lot of people really get a chance to work with those people that they grew up listening to or, using as an influence or feeling that they were musical role models. And I'm lucky enough to say that I have worked with both of the two musical role models that I had as a teenager and as a young guy. One of them was Saki Usabulikoko from Fiji, and the other one is Jerome Grey from Samoa. I am extremely honored to have been able to work with both, and to be a part of some of their musical ventures. But I'm really, really happy that they're recognizing that Jerome is being recognized for all the really awesome stuff, that he's done musically and otherwise, just being an ambassador and, doing all the stuff that he's done all over the world. This is musically, I was always caught by how, world class he sounded and always sounded, just real great, musically, just really, really world-class stuff. And so, it's an honor to be a part of this, of course, but it's an even bigger pleasure to see that he's being recognized and that he's receiving this recognition. That's very awesome. I'm super happy about that. So, congratulations, and congratulations to you, sir, and thank you for the inspiration and the influence, not just on me, but I'm sure countless other people all over the world, and Polynesia as well. It's just been an honor to be involved in working with him and his son as well, and for the friendship that we've developed. It's just been incredible. So, not only thanks for all the great music, but for allowing me to be part of that, as well. It's just been amazing, and I look forward to a lot more really cool things in the future.
Aloha, live from Hawaii. So to Whangahia, we like to congratulate you, Jerome Grey, for your Lifetime Achievement Award. We thank you for your music. We thank you for sharing your music with the rest of the world. You have made our people really proud of our kind of music, and we want to congratulate you and thank you for all that you do. Send our love to your children and your beautiful wife from us here in the islands. Yeah, like the Samoans say, ma lo fai o le faiva, ma lo kau. Yeah, lau ko whawhanganga, yeah, I whamanguia lava le akua ia ki oe ma me se foi o ngofo ala ma le ainga, yeah, mga luanga le lei umo e whaia, yeah, manguia lava le aso. So,
Jerry, and I just want to, having received the news that you'll be receiving this Lifetime Achievement Award, and we're so very proud to offer you our sincere congratulations from all of us here in Samoa Rugby Union. Your contribution to Samoa through your music, and especially to us here through the early days of Manu Samoa, through your voluntary contribution when we first started, is legendary, and we couldn't think of anybody more deserving for this award than yourself, and we are so very proud for you, and we wish you well, every success, and we hope to catch up soon, and a big aloha from all of us here at Samoa Rugby Union and all the ex-Manu Samoa who have also been associated with you over the years. We hope to catch up soon.
Aloha lava, Jerome Grey. Congratulations on your well-deserved award. Thinking back with my father and I, the memories that he shared was your songs all through his show. And the most one that we really took to was Polynesia is Home. Very inspirational song that touched many, many people around the world. So once again, on behalf of the Tupuainga, congratulations, God bless.
Talofa Jerome, this is Bill Legale. I just wanted to congratulate you on the award that you're receiving tonight. I can't think of a more deserving Samoan musician for this honor. And wanted to also let you know that you've always been an inspiration, a motivation to me musically. First met you in 1963 when I went over to Pia with Po Poeo and the Rebels, and you came and sang some songs with us at the Catholic Club. I don't know if you remember that, but I'll never forget it. So congratulations once again, Uso, and best of luck to you in your further musical career.
My name is Eri Leroy Pangofie. I currently live in Seattle. I just wanted to congratulate my idol, my good friend, Jerome Grey, on the Lifetime Achievement Awards. Well deserving. You have been a pioneer of our music and one of Samoa's treasured talents for so many years, and I've been a fan of yours with Ava and as a solo artist when you went solo for so many years. I'm proud to say you're my friend. Appreciate all that you've done and your accomplishments with your music. May God continue to bless you with good health and many more years, Uso. Alofa teleatu. Congratulations.
This is to Jerome Grey, the great Jerome Grey. I just want you to know that it happens to be 5:30 in the morning, and we're doing this because you are special. Lifetime Achievement Award. They really don't give that away until you die, brah. And you are alive, mucho alive, libre. How do you say in Samoan? You're on fire. How you say that? How you say that to you? On fire. Tell me. Shoo! You on fire, brah. Congratulations, you deserve it, and may you have many blessings to you and your family, and maybe we can have a cocktail. Aloha, talofa.